Since 1951, Flextool has been a market leader in the supply of quality concrete and construction equipment. Flextool offers a full lineup of products to help you complete the job from start to finish, including a comprehensive range of quality concrete vibrators. The Flextool PortaVibe Series provide the ultimate solution in concrete vibration and product portability. The heavy-duty yet lightweight design of the Flextool PortaVibe and the Flextool PortaVibe Backpack means they're easy to transport and move around the job site. Suitable for a wide range of jobs, the Flextool PortaVibe has been the go-to concrete vibrator for many concreters in Australia and is also available with an innovative contoured engine protection guard for improved durability and protection during operation and transport. This trusted unit is designed around efficiency and ease of use. The convenient on-off switch and throttle control are built into the adjustable handle, offering comfort and control to the operator. And its lightweight and balanced design provide optimum maneuverability on site. For enhanced comfort, an adjustable carry strap is also provided. The Flextool PortaVibe is designed with a flex shaft rubber support sleeve for improved strength and easier cleaning compared to metal springs. The high-amplitude vibrating head provides maximum efficiency and rapid consolidation of all types of concrete mixes and is made from heavy-duty hardened steel for extended service life. The Flextool PortaVibe is powered by a Honda GX35 4-stroke engine, providing reliable and hassle-free operation with low engine emissions. For larger projects that require long periods of concrete vibration, the Flextool PortaVibe Backpack is the ideal solution. Setup is quick and straightforward. Simply connect the flex shaft and vibrator head to the unit and it's ready to go. It's designed with performance and operator comfort at the forefront with its ergonomically designed contoured aluminium frame and 4-point fully adjustable padded harness. Weight is distributed evenly to both shoulders and hips, improving user comfort and reducing back strain and fatigue. Operating the unit is easy, with the swing control arm allowing the user to quickly adjust the engine speed and access the emergency shutoff switch if required. Operator comfort and safety is further optimised with integrated engine vibration isolators and swivel base for reduced vibration transfer and greater manoeuvrability. The Flextool PortaVibe Backpack comes in various flex shaft lengths and vibrator head diameters to suit a wide range of applications. For more information on the full range of Flextool concrete vibration equipment, visit flextool.com.au.